Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. Do you know, I was just reflecting because yesterday we spent some time with our American friends celebrating Thanksgiving. And part of that celebration really is sitting down to a fabulous roast turkey meal with all the trimmings, including the puddings, which are perhaps American favourites of pecan pie and pumpkin pie and so on and so forth. And I think it just kind of reminded me again this morning because, you know, here I am going down to see a client of mine and enjoying this fabulous weather on this rather frosty morning, and really sort of thinking about yesterday and how each of us, as we sit down for the meal before we start to eat, we just take turns going around the table and giving thanks for the things which are important to us and the things that we're thankful for. And I think this morning it just kind of reminded me again that, you know, how often do we take time out to actually sort of say, you know, thank you for the things that we have. I feel so fortunate in life, you know, I'm working with other businesses and helping them to be more successful, and I find that very fulfilling. I'm also running my own online business in this marketing, digital education space, and just, you know, seeing the rewards coming through, you know, in response to the consistent effort that I've been putting into this business. And now what I'm in a position to do is to be able to offer that opportunity for other people to get involved in running an online business too, so that they can achieve the things that they're looking to achieve. Now, I'll leave my website address on the bottom of this video. It's peterbolton.com. But if you haven't seen this business opportunity and you'd like to look further at it, then have a look at my website. On the front page, you'll find there is access to a free video workshop. And that really explains in great detail, really, what this business opportunity is about. And for me, I think the words that really spoke to me when I originally looked at this opportunity was that I could have the freedom to work how, where, and when I wanted to. And I think the great thing about that is it's not just about me and what I wanted to get from the business opportunity. It's the fact that I can share it with other people, and other people can also enjoy having the freedom to work how, where, and when they want to. And maybe that would be of interest to you. So if it is, let me just encourage you to have a look at the video. It's on my website at peterbolton.com, and you'll see the link to the free video workshop. If you click on that, just give up your email address and your name, and we'll make sure those video series get delivered to your inbox. Anyway, look, I've got to get on. Have a good day.